Hello, classmates and teacher. I am Lady Infante. I am a student of the UNAT, class English 4. I answer the questions. Number 1, according to point 1 of task 4, I give my opinion on how I see the future of my planet. I consider that technological advancement has been a cause to destroy the integrity of the ecosystems, losing their ability to provide fresh water, fish, organic food with chemicals, generating human diseases of all types. Based on environmental studies that speak of pollution and global warming, yeah, I consider that in about 30 years, the scarcity and contamination of water will increase as well as its price. Additionally, there is accelerated growth of the pollution which demands urban areas, living animals without habitat. The question number 2, how to mitigate the environmental damage? My opinion is necessary to establish awareness in the new generation with environmental programs that encourage the saving of resources at home, that we can the participants in ecological campaigns. Thanks for your attention.